Remove Instagram professional profile. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to switch from a professional to a personal Instagram account quickly and easily. Perfect for those who don't want business tools or commercial categories anymore. Enjoy videos like this? We've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Folks, the process is quick and simple. On Instagram, tap below to access your profile. On your profile, tap the three lines at the top. Next, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down and tap Change Account Type. Choose the last option, Switch to Personal Account. You'll see a notice about what you'll lose by switching. Give it a read. If you agree, tap Switch to Personal Account. Remember, you can support us by tapping Thanks and donating any amount. Did you manage it? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless. Thanks.